Hi, my name is Mandy Cole, and today the three different algorithms I'm going to show you are doubling and halving, the lattice multiplication, and partial quotients. So I'm going to start out with the doubling and halving. So I'm going to take the number, let's take 24 times 16. Okay, so first I'm going to double our 24, which is 48, and I'm going to have our 16, which is 8. Well, we could go even further and double 48 again, and we get 96. And let's have the 8 again. That's 4. I think we could take this one step further. So if we double 96, we get 192. And let's have 4, and that's 2. So our answer, we would take 192 times 2, and we'd get 384. And that's how you do the doubling and halving. So let's go on to our next problem. Our next problem, I'm going to do a lattice multiplication. We're going to work out a problem. Let's do 34 times 26. So first we're going to draw our box. I'm going to make it big enough so that there are room for the two numbers. I'm going to write 34 at the top, 26 at the bottom. Then I'm going to split my boxes in half. And I'm going to start multiplying. I'm going to take my 6 times my 4, and I'm going to put my answer in this bottom right hand corner, 2 and 4. And I'm going to take my 6, multiply it by, I'm going to take my 2 and multiply it by the 4, and that's 8, so I'm going to put it in this box. Now I'm going to take my 6 and multiply it by the 3. I'm going to get 12. Now I'm going to take my 2 and multiply it by the 3, and I'm going to get 6. It's not a very good 6. Let's fix that. Okay, so now that I have all of my boxes full, I'm going to add, and I'm going to add in the down. So here we have our 4, so I'm going to write it right here. Next, I'm going to add 8 plus 2 and get 12. So I'm going to write our 2 here, and I'm going to carry our 1 and put it right here. So now I'm going to add 6 plus 1 equals 8. And then here we have a 0. So our answer to 34 times 26 is 824. And that's how we do lattice multiplication. So our last algorithm to do is the partial quotients. I'm going to do 8 divided by 153. 8 divided by 153. So let's write out our problem. 8 divided by 153. And the first thing I'm going to do is, how many times does 8 go into 153? So let's say 10 times. So 10 times 8 equals 80. So let's subtract from there and see what we're coming up with. We have 73. How many times does 8 go into 73? Well, 9 times. So let's subtract that, and we have 1. So our answer is 19 remainder of 1. And that's how we do the different algorithms.